If you got a 2003 to 2006 Mitsubishi Outlander, chances are the struts that hold up the trunk lid are probably worn out by now. So if you want to replace it, here's how. The only tool you're really going to need is a small flat blade screwdriver. So how this works is there's basically a little ball underneath this cap right here and underneath this cap right here. Now to remove the connection from the ball, we simply shove a flat blade screwdriver into the hole here. Well, not a hole, but a slot. And it's going to pull the retainer away so that this can be removed from the ball. So do be aware, when you remove it, it's not going to have enough lift on just one of these struts to keep this trunk lid open. So don't bash your head, but we're going to shove this in the bottom here, and you'll see it's starting to lift this away. And once this is lifted away, like that, we can then remove this from the ball. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side and get this detached. The bottom ball is much like the one on top. To get the new strut in place, you're basically just doing the same thing. So if you look right here, you'll see these two clips to the side on the inside of this little hole on the left and right. When you pull this clip back, you're creating an access that pulls this outward to the left and right so that you can move this over the ball. And then when you release your screwdriver from the back, it brings these clips back in place, and that's what holds it on the ball. Now you're going to notice that with a new strut, it's going to want to stay erect very, very strongly. So what you're going to need to do is push up on the hatch so that you can get just a little more room to get the ball in position where this little retainer is. But once it's on, you just slip it over, remove your screwdriver, and there you go. And once you got them both installed, have yourself a newly working hatch again.